I have done 3 internships itself before, and I'll be doing my fourth internship in the next month. So you can imagine my CV must be doing something that I have got 4 internships easily, very easily, being honest. You सोचो ये templates होती ही नहीं तो तुम CV बनाते कैसे? Oh, don't tell me that you use these websites and free templates and Canva to build your CV template and then it looks like this with hardcore achievements. Then I'm sorry, no advocate is going to be impressed by your achievements if this is the templates that you're going to use. Therefore, today I'm going to walk you through the steps that build your CV in a certain way that is applicable to the law firms, good internships, and other many legal opportunities that you're looking for. So, without further ado, let's dive into the video. One thing which I can write and give you, and every single student, even majorly the students of NLUs, top NLUs do, is they build their CV from scratch on their own using MS Word, that is Microsoft Word. Now, being a third year student myself, I have done 3 internships itself before, and I'll be doing my fourth internship in the next month. So you can imagine my CV must be doing something that I have got 4 internships easily, very easily, being honest. And if you haven't watched my video about how to get legal internships easily, then you may go and watch. But let's just dive into the fact of how you can build that type of CV. First thing is first, you need to understand who you are building your CV for. Of course, you're building it for a law firm, for an advocate, so you have to put your best into your CV first. Now, let me tell you a little basics about CV. The font should be Times New Roman. The size of the font should be 11 or 12 max. That's it. There should be margins mandatorily in your CV. Your CV shouldn't look like some random pointers built up. No. There should be margins on your CV and there should be a 1 inch gap on each side when you are building your CV. Now let us come up to the format of CV. What format ideally you should follow to make the best CV possible. Now this is the format I have used in my CV. So it goes with the header where you have your personal details. For example, my name is Prachi. So I write Prachi, and then at the right hand side, I'll write my phone number, my email ID, or LinkedIn link I can provide as well. Now one thing which students avoid and they think, nahi, I can do this, this is nice. That one thing is putting a photo. No, please do not put photo in your CV. No one is interested to see how beautiful you are. You are not supposed to put your photo in the CV. It looks very unprofessional, being honest. Second thing which comes on the top is your education. Next comes your experiences, and by experiences I mean your previous internships. You are looking for internships, right? So you can just leave that column, and there is no issue. When I applied for my first internships, I also had nothing in that column of internship. Coming to the next is skills and certifications. For example, if you're a member of a moot court society, if you're a member of a debate society, if you're a member of the placement cell, whatever you are doing in your college extracurricular other than your academics, just put it. Now, the skills and certificate section can also include your expertises in using Manupatra, using SEC, shows that yes, you are really well versed about the legal websites and how you can use those websites. Next part that comes within these skills and certifications is your extracurricular and leadership activities. For example, if you have anchored a function in your college, if you are head of a committee, if you have done some moot courts, most important thing that you must remember all the time is there should be no grammatical mistakes at all. Grammar mistake is equivalent to cancellation of a CV in a second. Common mistakes to avoid while you are building your CV. First is do not include your school roles. Like school खत्म हो गया ना, अभी आप कॉलेज में हो. जो कॉलेज में किया है जिसकी वजह से you as a law student have learned a lot. Next is don't use any flashy design or color in your CV. Let it be subtle, very calm, white and black. Just let it be like that. Don't उसमें इतने चटक चटक कलर्स मत भर दो कि वो चुभ जाए आंखों में. इफ़ यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. अभी जो बहुत ज़्यादा जेनेरिक वर्ड्स होते हैं ना, जैसे बहुत बच्चे लिख देते हैं हार्ड वर्किंग, पैशनेट, ये वो. Don't do that because everyone is doing that. You need to stand out of the crowd to look better. Crafting a compelling CV does take time, but obviously this is your chance to make an impression. If you want to land your dream internship, dream law firm, then you need to make a CV that is compelling. So put efforts, use MS Word, and start building your CV. I'm going to be doing my fourth internship the next month itself. So you can imagine this type of CV works. So stop using these stupid websites कि अरे यहाँ से template ले लो, edit कर लो, download कर लो, हो गया. Don't do that please. ये सोचो ये templates होती ही नहीं तो तुम CV बनाते कैसे? तुम नहीं बना पाते ना, तुम बहुत ही बकवास CV बनाते. बट अभी because I've given you a rough idea, well not rough but this is a genuine idea, I've literally shown you my CV, so you can just use features of MS, make a good CV, start building your CV, and trust me, the better your CV is, the better the internship you can apply to. When you have these copy pasted CVs now, you will get copy pasted internship only. So do hard work, don't use shortcuts. Certain times smart work से ज़्यादा hard work is very important. There is also one thing I would like to add on कि when you are an law student, आप CV build करोगे कैसे? आप चीज़ें करोगे कॉलेज में, आप पार्टिसिपेशंस करोगे और एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर चीज़ों में पार्टिसिपेशंस करोगे, आप तब एक CV बिल्ड करोगे ना. आप कॉलेज में सिर्फ एडमिशन ले लोगे तो आपका CV बिल्ड नहीं होगा. सो योर एम should be after you enter into college, just do whatever comes on your way, explore. College is for exploring, honestly. And when you do all the things, for example moots, taking part in competitions, just do that and they will automatically be an add-on to your CV. I'll give you an example. I have done 3 moot courts in these 2 years of my law school, and they have put a good impact on my CV because in bold letters I write that I won this moot court, I've done this, I won the award for the best speaker. So that's a good achievement. My dog is barking, guys. It's okay. Guys, there is a new guy we have who is also interested to build a CV. So we're gonna help him to build a CV. Anyways, we were on the topic of publications. So your college also might have some journal of their own, and there are many other websites. You can do these things. These are a big plus point to your CV. If you have the column of publication in your CV, then trust me, no one is going to be above you in building a very good CV. So if this video has helped you to understand that there is a very good importance of CV in your life. So if you felt like I was helpful to you guys, then do like, share, subscribe this video and this channel. Bye guys. By the way, if you're wondering how was I being so disrespectful to you guys all this time, I was enjoying my chips, nothing else. Bye.